Welcome to Teacher to Creator. This is the Monetization Report. We're just going to talk for a second first, though. I want to tell you something. Anybody that thinks that a creator just sits around and does nothing, man, I am more busy than I was when I was teaching, but I get to do it on my schedule, so that's pretty cool. I mean, you haven't started making money yet either, but one day we're still building it. So we had some pretty cool stuff happen this week, and we'll get into that when we get into the report. But I mean, I am growing. There's no doubt about it, and I just spent like 4 days on a video that I'm making for actually this site. The next big video, the next long form is like 30 or 27 minutes or something like that, 30 minutes long. And it looks like it's going to be pretty good. It took a long time to create. And I'm only at the B-roll portion right now. So, but I just wanted to mention something really quick. One of the things that I've started doing, helping my channel, is by having daily, not daily, 6 days a week, not Saturdays, but live streams from 7 to 8. Live streams from 7 to 8. And here's the schedule right here. It's Mondays, Skyrim Adventure. We'll play Skyrim online. Tuesdays, we're gonna do production music, and I just got my main computer for music production to link over. So that's going to be a lot better this time. Wednesdays, guitar. That's today. We're going to be playing some guitar tonight and just singing and stuff. Thursday, you get to see firsthand how I create content. And then Fridays, songwriting, music jam. Sundays, our Bible study. And if you want any topics right now, we've just been going through global evangelism, Bible studies. But if you want something specific, then you can ask. All right, so we have all those things that are going on from 7 to 8. Also, don't forget that my first app, which isn't doing so hot, I thought it would do a lot better. I haven't yet actually advertised for money yet, but just after organically advertising, I didn't get hardly any. It took me forever to get those stores set up and everything, and it was, I guess I'll use them later if nobody buys my product, but at least, right, I'm business major. So some supply chain is set up, right? And I know there's a value offering in the product, and it's really cheap. It's only $15 for the app. So, we'll see. Maybe once I start advertising it more, it'll take off. I was really depending on that to try to offset some of my bills, because right now I have zero money coming in. Another thing, I found a cheaper and better way to stream to multi-platforms at once. And so I'll be making a short about that. I'll be uploading it to one of the stations or one of the channels today. And if you're interested on how to live stream to multiple channels at once for free, you can check that out. All right, so let's go ahead and now move over to what's going on in on the sites. Okay, so I added Rumble to my list here. I just started uploading to that. One of the things that I am really excited about is that the monetization isn't nearly as difficult in Rumble as it is in some of the others, right? And so we can see out of the videos that I posted so far, the raw views right here, unique views, ad eligible, right? So I got ad eligible stuff. I'm trying to get this set up, and this is really cool right here, right? We're getting lots of views in the first week, and we're already getting an ad report thing. So it probably won't be long until I'll have my first revenues coming in from this stuff, but it's going to be small, but it'll be still a milestone. Each one of these milestones are amazing. All right, so that's on my Rumble channel. let's switch over to the 2-year transformation channel. Now, I haven't been working out like I ought to have. I did run 2 times, but that you'll have to go see the update on my transformation channel to learn about that. We are definitely up. 634 views, watch time 19 hours, 5+ subscribers. We had a couple good spikes here. Decent spikes here on the last ones. And still, believe it or not, the top content is the Rise versus Beyond route. I'm going to have to follow that up. I'll do one using maybe mud water or something, right? So, because it's been in the lead since we started. And that surprised me because I really thought that this would shoot up. This video here, I started running at 60. It done pretty good, but it didn't do all that good. We can see the spikes right here and right here. Let's look at the shorts. We had 2 shorts that spiked just small, 103, 107, 67 views. And if we look at advanced mode, we'll see that those same spikes right in there. Why I run C right here. This is the one I expected to pull out in the lead because it was doing really good. Why I run even this little short, but it capped off at 62 impressions, right? Even though it got 155 views, but here the impressions were way higher. And the click-through rate. See the click-through rate right here? 4.4%. That's very good. That's a high click-through rate. Compared to this one, 1.6, that's nothing. This one got 0. I still haven't figured out why this is getting 0. I need to look at this and figure it out. And let's look at it. Oops. It had 101 views. Views 101, watch time 0.1. Boy, that is terrible. This is my advertisement for my stuff. Boy, that is terrible, huh? People just didn't want to watch an advertisement, I guess. And so that's not good. That killed my click-through rate on that one. Let's switch over to the next one. Here's Jeffrey Curtis Music. Now, this is the one that did really amazing this week, right? I mean, I got 1,200 views right there. I released like 5 shorts in a row, you know, so it started climbing, it dipped, it climbed, it dipped, it'll come back up because I got another short to post later. And then, all I have to do is click that, I figured out. So we see it's higher, it's starting to dip down, but it stayed pretty high. That's pretty good. Can I use my Canon M6? Look at that. That's some of the key moments, you know, that's pretty good. And the shorts, of course, they're what really kicked in. I only got 1 subscriber off of them, though, right? Average. And here I got, it's not showing me my subscribers that I got there. All right. So I'm curious about the live. See all my live views. I started that right back here, and I've been doing 1 live view a day. And so it's only averaged a little bit, but every single bit of those hours helps. Click-through rate's not high right now, and you can see that. Looking at the advanced mode for a second, we can see the major kicks from the shorts. Now the shorts are really, it was all those Peter Gabriel shorts. They did well. Now this is a topic that I got off of a trend search. It was a trend that was going in there, and I seen that even though people were offering information about it, they weren't offering how to recreate the sound. So I filled a niche right there, filled a void. And that's why it's doing so well, I think. All right, so so here's the one I'll be doing next. Oh, wait. This is where I'm going to be posting that long form that I got coming up. And it needs it because it's dying. And I hardly ever put these shorts here, but I'm going to have to start but I did get some views, and I got some subscribers, got a subscriber in there. And so that's not doing too bad. Only 3 hours of watch time, but it's not the worst, right? Because the worst is definitely the ministry channel. And don't ask me why that is. Anytime that you have a ministry channel, there was something there. My ranking, one of I started getting some ranks, believe it or not. It says all zeros, but I'm getting the fireworks. So that's cool. Right. So, yeah, we had 1 view, 0 watch time. People are just not watching my preached messages, but that's okay. We also did 1 live stream here. Yeah. Wow. That's weird that it didn't show up. Look at that. The live stream didn't show up at all. Let's see if it actually recorded. Yeah, it did. Nobody watched it. Nobody's interested. But it's there. And I got to do it because I love Jesus. Let's go on for, here's Twitch. Twitch is, we had 1.1 viewers. Twitch is a hard place to get it going. They're just very faithful viewers, right? They come on view, but that one of the reasons I created the schedule was for Twitch, and it gives me a place to be you can only stream live on Twitch. And so that's why but it's in there. Facebook, if we look at Facebook, how it's been doing, it done good there, 10 views. And then on the reach, we got 5. So, of course, we're not even close to being able to monetize yet, but it is growing. My Insta, which is probably where I have the most followers, does the worst. I don't get it, right? I have thousands of followers on here, and I got 2 views, 1 view. No, this one I just uploaded today, still no views. I don't think the Instagram is caught on that I'm actually posting. Or maybe it's who I'm following, because this is a business account, and it follows a lot of like movie stars and music people, and they're probably not interested, right? So, and then TikTok, it was doing good, probably from the kids when they found out at my school, when they found out I had a TikTok. And I'll say this much, man, TikTok, 9 likes, 10 views. You got to watch it in that one, because you never know what's going to happen, what you're going to see. I quit using Restream, so that's off the board now. So all in all, it hasn't been so bad, right? I mean, it's showing growth still. I'm close to monetizing. I should have looked at that. Where am I at? Let's look at that really quick. I'm gonna look at that really quick. See where I'm at on that one channel that did so well. I'm 697 valid public watch hours short, but I'm growing on the I got 707 out of 1,000. This channel might be the first one to actually start earning money. So that's pretty cool. So, all right. So that's the monetization report. If you'd like any other information, or if you have any questions or anything, please post them on the comments, and like and subscribe and follow. And we'll see, if this is a viable income source or not. See you later.